Hey guys, welcome back. It's day 10 of 23 of my juicing for hydration and inflammation is going down. Yo, listen, I had a big ass plate of food from P.O., you know, some baked chicken, yellow rice, beans on top. What else I had with it? Some maduros. Listen, that knocked me out. It was like hell trying to get up. But I said, listen, I got to juice today because I got to make it. I made this commitment to myself. And so here I am back with you guys juicing for my 23 days of juicing for hydration and inflammation. All right.
And how many days has it been so far?
Why you gotta be on my camera for? No, seriously. My mom is gonna juice on me today because she's just amazing. She's always drinking the juice that I make. You know, I'm keeping her beautiful and amazing and strong and healthy. And this is what daughters do, period. So, Mom, what do we have? What are we juicing today?
We are juicing.
You can lift it up.
Pineapple.
Lift it up, show them. I like to show them.
All right.
Yeah, they got to see that goodness. So what we got, Ma?
Pineapple, green apple, cucumber. What's that stuff over there?
That's mint.
Mint
And it's one more piece over there.
and lemon.
Yeah.
And we're juicing this
Yes.
today.
Yes. It's going down.
It's going down.
It's going down. Now, we're not juicing the entire pineapple because it's just a lot of pineapple. But we're going to juice enough so that way we can have that juicy goodness so we can hydrate the body, work on detoxifying, reducing inflammation, and increasing the hydration in our bodies. Listen, when you lack water throughout the day, you got to do what you can to keep your body hydrated, and H2O3 is like the best way to keep your body hydrated. Right, Ma?
Right.
Okay, cool. All right, so let's do it. Let's get started. She's going to put everything into the juicer for us. Not everything. We're going to put like half of the pineapples in here. No, you're going to do it. You're going to do it. I'm just taking some of this off so you can do it. Because this is, sometimes it be too much. Sometimes it be too much. So, you know, depending on how much juice we yield, we're trying to yield at least 16 ounces of juice if we can, so that way we can both have, you know, what we have. So you can put it in there, Ma.
Okay, so we're getting started.
Ma, you funny. Put the stuff in there, Ma.
Soft stuff on the bottom. Right? So
Yeah.
this goes in first.
Yeah. She be listening to them when I make the video. She said soft stuff on the bottom. I said always with the Nama J, soft things on the bottom, hard things on the top, and she just got right to it. Look at that. It's
The
amazing.
cucumber?
Yeah. Look, she's smiling because she knows she about to get some. Look, she knows she about to get some.
Apple.
Yeah. We used one whole apple,
One whole apple.
one whole cucumber, a handful of mint, because sometimes mint can be real strong, depending on how much you putting in there. But you don't need to put all that mint, because who needs like a real minty drink? Like, it ain't even necessary. But it does add a nice cooling effect to it. The pineapple is considered kind of strong. kind of soft. So we can cut the rest of this up.
This needs to be cut up.
Yeah, we're gonna cut this up. Yeah, let's cut that out. I don't want to cut this fingers off. All right.
Okay.
And it's probably not gonna fit, so we can juice it.
All right, yeah, and then put some more in.
Yeah, we could put some more in once it start going down.
Okay.
So you're gonna hit that on button. Yep. And then we're gonna let it do what it do.
This is the one?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so
All right, y'all. So I'm really hoping that we get 16 ounces, more than 16 ounces, and I feel like we will, just because of the pineapple is so juicy. It's so crazy because I went to a Peruvian neighborhood today in Long Island City, Astoria, and all the pineapples that they had were like so ripe, so yellow, so juicy and delicious. And I said, let me get one of these. And this is what I got. Oh my God. So we can put the rest of the pineapple in there so we can,
okay, right.
yeah, so turn it off.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, and then you can put the rest. Why you gotta be on point with it, Mom?
Okay.
Juicy goodness. All right, now push the on. So we got 12 ounces, almost 16 ounces of juice, and we still not finished. Yes, look at that. We gotta make that magic happen. Ready to drink this juice, Ma?
I'm ready. I'm ready to get some of this goodness in my body.
Y'all heard that? She said she ready to get some of this goodness in her body. Oh. It's going down. Ma, you can wait till it fill up. I like to let it fill up to see how much we're gonna get.
Okay.
Because we don't want the juice to be oxidized. When it hits the air, it starts oxidizing, and that's when the nutrient starts depleting itself. It's going down, Ma. Juicy, juicy goodness. So for the first year, we got 16 ounces. For the second year, we're probably getting about 12, almost 16 ounces again. So you see how it's stuck?
Yeah. You don't want to pour it back in there.
No, we're not gonna do that.
And then like let it juice some more.
We could probably do that with the pulp, but we don't need to do that with the pulp. We could. Well, but this is stuck. There we go. We could probably do that with the pulp, but I think the pulp.
Good morning, good morning.
Let's see what we got. All right, so there's a little piece in there, but let's see. All right, so we could dump that. We can dump the rest of the juice. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. Yes, so we can pick this up and dump the rest of it inside there because there's always some in the bottom. Oh, look at that juicy, juicy goodness. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Wow. All right. So how much did we yield? Want to show them how much we yielded, Mom? It's right here. You probably can't see it, but we yielded at least 20 ounces of that.
At least 20 ounces.
Yeah, we yielded 20 ounces of pineapple, cucumber, apple, what else? And mint and lemon juice. 20 ounces. Let's see how this one tastes, y'all. Let's see. We got this 16-ounce jar. We got two 16-ounce jars. Oh, she got herself a little cup. Yeah. My mom said, I'm gonna use a little cup. Here. Yeah. All right, let them know how that tastes, Ma.
Okay.
Oh man, I'm excited.
There you go. Oh yeah.
Yo, you see that?
Oh, yes.
Oh my God. Let me taste that. Let me get in on this goodness. Oh my God. That's hilarious. Hold up, y'all. Wait.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
Mm. Mm.
Mm. This is so good.
Mm. Mm. This is good. Mm. Mm. Oh man, that's good. Oh my God. I'm so grateful.
Thankful. Grateful.
Yes. So grateful. Yeah, you want that? All right. Let me see. Okay, let's it out.
Well, yeah.
Let's it out. Okay. My mom is such an amazing individual for helping me out with this juice today. She was like, I don't know what to say. I'm like, what you mean you don't know what to say? I don't even know what to say. Look. But listen. Day 9 and 23 for hydration and inflammation. Juicing version. Before I go, I want to give a big shout out to those of you who are juicing along with me. Like you have no idea how many times my mouth is dropped since I began this juicing challenge that people have hit me up and said, yo, I'm juicing with you. Like, I find that so fascinating. I find it amazing. And I find it so it brings me so much joy because we get to do this together. Like, I had no idea, no clue that I can have this type of impact and effect and inspire people to do these things. Like, it's amazing. And I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier. Like, my whole crown is tingling right now. Like, I couldn't be happier. So, come here, Ma.
What now?
I just wanna thank you to the people.
I'm
So
happy to be here.
yeah, you gotta get on camera though. So again, I wanna thank y'all for watching us today. I dragged my mom along to help me make the juice, and I couldn't be happier that she was able to help me. So again, guys, day 10 of 23 days for juicing, for hydration and inflammation. Peace.